Hi. So today I've decided to build a blacksmith forge, a really small one. These are some of the parts that I've bought. I don't really know if this is going to be everything I need to buy yet, but I'll show you what I've got so far. So I've got lots of this stuff here. This is 3-inch angle steel, about 1/4 inch thick. I bought this 1/4 inch foot square steel plate, bathroom ventilation fan. I'm going to use that to supply air. I'm going to cut a hole in this plate. Don't know where actually, I might put it at the edge, I'm not sure. I've got to figure that one out. I've got various pieces, piping. This is a flange, it's galvanised, so I'm going to have to remove the galvanising piece because I'm going to put a hole somewhere in here. That'll go through the hole and then I'm going to weld it onto the bottom. I've got a T-piece. These are 1-inch holes, by the way. This is a 3-inch extension. I think that's called an extension. Steel pipe nipple. Woohoo! I've got this duct foil, it's called, and then this piece will come through here. And there's a T-piece. This is a plug, technical name. So that plug will go in there, and this longer pipe will go out to the edge. So the air will be connected to the outside edge here, away from any heat. Mind you, it's going to be a long way from the heat because there's flexible stuff, but anyway, that was the plan. I was actually trying to get the fan to sit on the end of this, but I couldn't find anything to adapt from the 1-inch up to the 3-inch or 2.5 inches or whatever it is on the extractor fan. When this is sitting upright, you know, the air is going to be coming out of here, but there's going to be stuff that falls through it. So to clear that out, I'm going to unscrew the plug and everything will drop out. These long pieces here, I'm going to use these for the edges. So that's where I'm going. Let's get going. This is the flange that's got to go in there. I'm not sure to put it in the middle or put near an edge somewhere. I think I'll go somewhere around there where I can lay something over it and it will be hot in the one area but not up the front. Whereas if I put it in there, it's more likely to be hot, but you know, equal. So I think I might put it there. Maybe even there, one side. Interesting idea. I wonder. No, we'll go in the middle. Damn, that fits really well. Okay, so I'm going to remove the galvanizing cover from this, and to do that I'm going to use uric acid. So it's used for cleaning concrete, I believe. It's pretty nasty stuff, so make sure if you do get around to doing something like this, make sure you cover up properly. It will burn right through your skin. Yeah, you don't want to get it on you. Quite impressive, isn't it? The other thing you don't want to do is breathe it. A little bit more. Use it to clean up your rust as well. Probably not a good idea though, because it leaves pits in the metal. So I've got all these prepped, they've all been angle grinded, so there's a nice angle already there. Oh, I haven't ground that one. Let me go and do that one first. So, nice edges, ground edges everywhere. I think that come out bloody well considering. That's probably the best weld I've ever done in my life. Right, let's do another one. Oh, I think I dipped it right at the end. Tiny little dip, never mind. Ah! That's hot. Don't go near that. Pretty much welded all of, well I don't know about pretty much, I've welded all of the sides. Quite pleased with that. I think they come out quite well, some of that. Some better than others. I didn't do quite so well on the inside piece. Never mind, it's okay, it'll work. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a piece of cardboard like so and cut out a shape, or make the shape, align the shape. Okay, turn the machine on. So I'm cutting this as a 1/4 inch. I'm using 25 amps at 110 volts. I think I got the air pressure set at a little over 35, or it's somewhere between 35 and 40 psi. Good, I was just checking. Oh, is that right? Yeah, psi. Test cut, make sure things working. Yep, happy with that. Right, here we go. Glasses keep fogging up.
to make some adjustments. Not big ones though. I think I'm running low on gas. Don't know how long that's going to last. Not long, I expect. I'll try and tack this up before I run out of gas. Okay, what are we doing on the gas? Well, surprisingly, still got plenty. Alright, in that case, let's try and weld it up a bit. Might as well. So there we go. This is what it looks like welded up so far. I need to put a base on it, some legs or something. So I'm marking this out at 2 feet. So I'm measuring out this piece here, which is going to be the top of the legs, I hope, 13 inches. Get on there. Now I'll put something across it like that to hold it in place in the 2 locations. I've got 2 pieces left, so that'll work. So I've pretty much finished it now. I'm attached the fan. I just taped it on there with that, I don't know what that is, some sort of silver, don't know if that's aluminum tape or not, but anyway, it's something, sticks it to the pipes. I'm using barbecue charcoal bricks because it's difficult to buy coal around here, or coke even, whatever. It's just difficult, you know. There you go, looks pretty good. Just to get it right in the flame there. It's 500.
Yeah, around 500.
Errors,
something.
yeah. So it probably is pretty accurate.
Yeah.
Go measure the metal and see what that one's like.
Hold on. I can wait, Clark.
Yeah, it definitely errors at 500
Yeah.
or something.
Alright.
I have to do something with the handle, I can't use it. Oh wow, that's stinking hot. Nice. Do you want to do the next one?
Sure.
Exactly the same. This one hasn't been hit yet, so.
Ready?
Yeah, go. Good. Excellent. Getting better. Getting good at this. Turning over.
Yep. Yep.
Go.
Yep.
See if you make
So
that a bit
at
longer.
the end of the day, managed to build some tongs with the aid of my neighbour and also a coat hook for my daughter.